Okay. Hi all, my name is Getruda. Now I'm with my team, Kanaya, Laratus, Alvin, and Bintang. Today we're excited to present our business idea called Wellplate. It stems from the concept of culinary wellness journey, interactive cooking experience for vibrant living. Before we delve into what exactly Wellplate is, I want you to understand that its main purpose is to promote interactive cooking experience for a healthy lifestyle. So let's first take a look at Indonesia health condition in general. Based on riset dasar kesehatan, at least 15 out of 1,000 people, or around more than 2 million individuals in Indonesia, suffer from heart disease. Moreover, from International Diabetes Federation, in 2021 is 19.47 million in cases projected to increase by 47% in 2045 suffer from diabetes. So after learning about this data, we realized that this problem mostly stems from unhealthy lifestyle and diet program. So what do people actually think about diet? Many experience restrictive diet that don't provide lasting results. They find healthy food unenjoyable, ineffective, and unable to meet that their unrealistic expectations. That also demand a lot of time and effort. People are inconsistent with their uh, diet plan, like time of prepare healthy meal or even exercises. There is a lack of knowledge about good dietary habits, nutrition calculation, and also personalized plan. These dietary habits can have disruptive effect on people's health. So that's why we created Well Plate. We aim to make healthy cooking and eating easier, not just for ourselves, but for everyone.
So now, how do we elevate your life? So we offer four approaches to improve your journey towards healthy eating. First is effortless convenience. We eliminate the stress of grocery shopping and planning. Pre-portioned ingredients are at your doorstep, perfectly paired with our interactive cooking class. So imagine delicious, healthy meals ready to cook with minimal effort. And secondly is personalized wellness. So unlike generic meal plans, we cater you to your specific dietary needs and goals. So we offer consultations with nutritionists to create a personalized recipe plan that fits your preferences, whether it's gluten-free, vegan, or focus on weight management. And last but not least is interactive learning. So we go beyond just delivering meals. Our engaging video here and personalized tutoring sessions led by expert chef and nutritionists equip you with the knowledge and skills to cook healthy for your life. And so with that, you will re-up the rewards, convenience, and personalized wellness and the lasting knowledge to make healthy choice every day. And next slide, please. Now, how we differentiate us from other meal prep services? We offer a truly holistic approach. First, performance is focused on education. We believe in empowering you, not just feeding you. Learn valuable cooking class, understanding the science behind healthy ingredients, and build the confidence to create a delicious and nutritious meals on your own. And secondly, is flexibility and customization. We understand that one size doesn't fit all, so we offer a variety of meal plans, dietary options, and class formats to accommodate your busy schedule and unique needs. And last but not least is holistic approach. We combine delicious, pre-portioned meals with the knowledge and skills to maintain a healthy lifestyle well beyond our service. So our service is a comprehensive package for your long-term well-being. Next slide.
Okay, so for the next slide, we'll discuss about our social media marketing strategy. So the first one, we will leverage Facebook and Instagram advertising platforms for targeted ads. So we will utilize cooking class excerpts, customers' testimonials, and also healthy recipe posts that we will boost using the Instagram and Facebook ads so that we will engage and reach out to many other potential customers. Secondly, we will collaborate with Indonesian fitness and also health influencers for influencer marketing. So we will provide complimentary subscriptions or special recipes content that will be collaborated with the influencers to boost our engagement with the audience. And lastly, we will implement an organic content strategy by producing and engaging content that emphasize on healthy eating benefits and also culinary lessons. We believe that we will gain access to those customers who really needs healthy eating recipes. And also we will utilize relevant hashtags and engage with food and wellness communities to reach out to many other potential customers. Next. So next one is the digital campaign ideas. we have 6 digital campaign ideas. Firstly is the Healthy Twist Challenge that we will collaborate with chefs or food bloggers. Here, we are using TikTok and Instagram as our platforms, and the mechanism is that we will do a user-generated content, and we conduct a weekly competitions and eventually rewards the audience with a special rewards. And secondly, we will do a hashtag Ask the Nutritionist live Q&A session. We will conduct a Q&A sessions with certified nutritionists. We will do that in our Facebook Live and Instagram Live by answering questions from the audience about a healthy diet and healthy lifestyle, and also by advertising our services to them using the live Q&A session. Thirdly is the content marketing and public relations. By creating a blog and recipe library, we believe that people will open our apps or websites more about regarding the healthy eating and healthy recipes. And also we will organize free webinars online and offline for health topics presented by professional chefs and nutritionists. Fourthly, we will also do referral programs and incentives. We will reward current clients for referrals with discounts or complimentary meals. We also offer an early bird discount and also social media giveaways to engage more with the audience or our followers. And fifthly, strategic partnerships. We will also collaborate with fitness studios, local nutritionists, and also corporate wellness programs. By doing so, we believe that we will enhance our brand knowledge, and we will be the on top of mind brand for a healthy living diet on, and also we will provide a bundled services which provided individuals with meal plans weekly or daily. Lastly, we will optimize discoverability by improving website or app content with special keywords. So by doing so, we will be more recognized by people and also potential customers that will want to use our services.
Now, our service of Wellplate is actually a blue ocean strategy because it combines a solution that's currently being dominated in two different industries. So the cooking app industry is a recipe application industry and is currently being dominated by two applications of Yummy and Tasty, while healthy food subscription industry is currently being dominated by the brands Healthy M, YellowFit, and Healthy Go, which basically all serve as healthy meal subscription delivery services. Now, what Wellplate does is our offering combines the two offerings of cooking apps and healthy food subscription in order to fill a market gap that currently is not being served in the industry. Now let's take a deeper look at what this might mean. So cooking apps are basically recipe applications, and what they offer is recipes for people who want to learn how to cook. While healthy food subscriptions like YellowFit Kitchen and Healthy Go Kitchen are healthy meal catering services targeted for people who want to eat healthier and or to lose weight. What Wellplate does is we combine both of these offerings, combining a recipe and meal delivery platform focused towards healthy eating. And our target market is people who want to learn how to eat healthy sustainably. The reason why Wellplate can work and the reason why Wellplate has no direct competitors amongst both cooking apps and healthy food subscription is because currently there's nothing in the industry, nothing in the market that helps to solve the market gap for sustainable healthy eating in the way that Wellplate aims to do. The cons of cooking app is that it's not designed for health and nutrition. It's not dietary specific, which means people who have specific dietary needs, their problems are not being solved by cooking apps. While healthy food subscription does not solve the fact that it's very expensive and it's very unsustainable for long-term healthy eating. Wellplate not only teaches people how to cook healthy meals within their means, but we also offer a 3 times a week meal delivery service, which means we're not only affordable, but we're also dietary specific, making us the first mover in the Indonesian industry to combine this kind of holistic interactive approach for sustainable healthy eating in the long term.
Why Shirley Fastness? Our company is driven by diverse and passionate team. Each team member brings unique strengths and a shared vision for revolutionizing healthy eating. Getruda, our CEO, has a deep understanding of overall company's vision. She is the driving force behind our strategic goals and growth plans. Lala, our COO, has a proven track record on operations or logistics. She ensures our day-to-day runs smoothly and that our customers get the highest quality meals on time. Bintang, our CMO, is our customer acquisition powerhouse. With his experience in marketing and social media, he understands how to build a community around healthy eating and ensuring interest in the loyal customers. Kanaya, as head of culinary development, combines her passion for nutrition with her experience in culinary industry. She makes sure our meals are delicious and designed for maximum health impact. As for me, I'm healthy and I oversee product development for our company. My background in tech and product development is key for ensuring our digital platform is user-friendly and aligns perfectly with our vision. We will outsource our app development, but while we're doing that, we'll outsource our app development to a specialist agency. My in-house expertise provides crucial oversight during the development process.
For our vision plan, we have five approaches. The first one is focused on our unique selling proposition while addressing the market gap between wanting to eat well and finding time for it. And the second one, we need to focus on personalization and sustainability. And the third one, we build a strong market fit and rise the demand. And the fourth one is focus on technology integration and user experience. And the last one is make sure the community building and build a long-term engagement with our customers. So that's all from us. We can't wait to bring the whale play to everyone in Indonesia. So thank you.